Alright, let's look at these settings. So that's the techno light. What's this? I feel like a little kid, guys. This is it. Guys, I am at the Mexico City airport, but it's not because I'm taking a flight. My flight is tomorrow. I am sleeping at the airport. I'm supposed to look for signs for capsules. See that one on the end? Those are capsules. This is gonna be my first time staying at an airport overnight. This is gonna be cool. He said 1 floor down. Here it is. Okay, well, I guess I'll carry my stuff up. I don't see any elevator. There it is. Guys, this is awesome so far. So I have a key to open up everything. To open up my locker, my pod, all the doors. They give me socks. Socks. Through plugs. We'll open this in a second. Wi-Fi code. And a remote. Why did they give me a remote? They told me I have to take off my shoes before I go into the room. I haven't even seen the room yet. Or the pod. Let's get into our capsule outfit. Alright, now I feel like I'm wearing what's right. Okay, their locker room looking good. Let's check out the bathrooms. Hey, not bad. Showers, individual little showers. Hey, it's pretty clean. Actually, really clean. See how everything is Asian inspired because these capsules, I believe they started in Japan. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. Now it's locked. Guys, look what's above me. I have TV. Here it is. Alright, let's look at these settings really quick. We have Lose Techno Ceiling Light. Whoa. Whoa. So that's the techno light. We have a USB. We have a headphone jack, probably for the TV. Ventilator, fan control. Door unlock. Mirror light. Mirror light. I'm playing piano. Wow. Another headphone jack. Power socket. Comes with a bottle of water, like a real hotel. A flamethrower. I mean, flame fighter. Probably. Yeah. Air conditioning. I feel like a little kid, guys. This is it. Wow. USB, headphones, ceiling light, fan control, ventilator, 6 different settings. Which one's best? Let's go full techno. Full space capsule. Wow. What's this? Oh. What's this? Whoa. So that just gave me reading lights. It's not so techno now. Let's see. Ooh. We have the yellow vibe now. This is actually kind of spacious. And look, this might be the best part. But back to techno. Ooh. There we go. Techno. Are you ready for the best part? This is on the ceiling. Wow. We've got earplugs. Hopefully people are wearing these while I make this video. Hand sanitizer, of course. And these are my new socks. I like grandma socks. Well, I say it's time to put these on. I must say I like this a lot. Look at it. I think we have another hanger right here. What is this? We have a tray. Looks like I'm gonna have to get some room service. Dinner and a show. Watch this. Door unlock. Oop, almost forgot. I kind of feel like I own the place now. It seems like I live in the airport. Like I just came from the rest of the airport to this other part where I sleep, and there's kind of a sunset over here. Can't really see. It's a little sunset happening. I just had dinner, but I think I might go into the main part again to get a midnight snack. Or some alcohol, maybe. Away. Okay guys, I'm trying to give you the full experience here. So, if you don't want to see this, close out this video. That actually might be the best shower I've had since I arrived in Mexico. But that's not saying much. Bowie.